In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make text bold in Card. If you're building a one-page site and want certain words or sentences to stand out, bold text is a fast, clean way to do it. Card uses simple formatting in its text editor, so you can get this done in seconds once you know where to look. Start by heading to the Card website in your browser. From there, open your dashboard. If you're not already signed in, Card will prompt you to log in first. Once you're on the dashboard, click the project you want to edit so it opens in the builder. Inside the builder, click the text block that contains the content you want to emphasize. This will open the text panel so you can make changes directly. Take a moment to read through your text and decide exactly which word or sentence you want to make bold. This helps avoid formatting the wrong part by accident. Place your cursor at the very beginning of that word or sentence, right before the first character. Type 2 asterisks. That's the star symbol on your keyboard. These two asterisks tell Card to start bold formatting at that point. Now move your cursor to the very end of the same word or sentence immediately after the last character you want bolded. Type 2 more asterisks. You've now wrapped your selection with double asterisks, which is the markdown style notation Card understands for bold. When done correctly, Card will render that section in bold. A few quick tips to make this work smoothly. Don't add spaces between the asterisks and the text. Place the asterisks flush against the first and last characters. You can bold a single word, a short phrase, or an entire sentence. Just make sure the opening and closing double asterisks are in the right spots. If you only see italic text, you may have used a single asterisk by mistake. Bold needs two on each side. And if punctuation falls at the end of your sentence, include it inside the closing asterisks if you want it bold as well. When you're happy with your change, click Done in the Editor panel to apply it. You'll see the bold styling reflected in the Builder view. If you change your mind, simply remove the asterisks to revert the text to normal. That's all there is to it. Using double asterisks to bold text in Card is quick, reliable, and keeps your content easy to scan. Try it on key headings, callouts, or important messages to guide your visitors' attention.